Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're gonna be going down under, throw another shrimp on the barbie. We're gonna be talking about 7 fun facts about kangaroos. Do you like kangaroos? 'Cause I love them. Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. Kangaroos don't walk or run, they hop. But that doesn't slow them down at all. Kangaroos have very powerful hind legs, and they can reach speeds of up to 40 miles per hour. Whoa, that's pretty fast. Ready? Fact number 2 about kangaroos. Kangaroos have very powerful hind legs. They can leap over things that are up to 10 feet tall. Kangaroos balance themselves by extending their broad tails as they move around. Whoa! I wish I could leap over things that are 10 feet tall. That would be cool. Ready? Fact number 3. Kangaroos can't walk backwards. Weird. That means that unfortunately, they can't do the moonwalk. Ready? Fact number 4. There are more kangaroos than humans in Australia. Wow. They are the national symbol of Australia and appear on postage stamps, coins, and even the sides of airplanes. Neato. They must be super popular in Australia. Ready? Fact number 5. Young kangaroos are called joeys. Joeys will sometimes jump headfirst into their mother's pouch when they're frightened. Wow. I wish I could jump into a pouch when I'm frightened. Ready? Fact number 6. Kangaroos have excellent hearing, and like some other animals, they're able to move their ears in different directions without moving the rest of their head. Wow. So if they wanted to hear something behind them, they can just move their ears backwards and listen. Neato. Us humans, we have to turn our heads. Ready? The last fact about kangaroos, fact number 7. Kangaroos are kinda like the outback version of camels. They need very little water to live, and they have the remarkable ability to go several months without drinking anything. Whoa. So that means during the dry season in Australia, they can survive the lack of water. Then when it rains, they can drink a ton of water just to survive. Neato. They really are like camels. Alright kids, that has been fun facts about kangaroos. Thanks for watching Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. Auf Wiedersehen. See ya. Bye. Hey kids, welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're going to be talking about one of my favorite animals in the world. I am going to tell you 7 fun facts about sharks. Wee-you! Ready? Here we go. Fact number 1. There are over 400 different species of sharks in the entire world. The most well-known shark is the great white shark. Whoa! Look at all those teeth! Yikes! Scary! Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 2. Until the 1500s, sailors on ships, originally called sharks, sea dogs. Wow! I love to pet dogs, but petting sharks? I don't think so! Not so much. Ready? Here it comes. Fact number 3. Baby sharks are called pups. After they're born, mother sharks don't even care about them. They're left on their own. Aw, lonely pups. But the mother sharks do try to find a safe space to give birth so the pups can make it to old age. Neato. Ready? Fact number 4. Whale sharks are not only the largest shark species, they are also the largest fish in the world. At 40 feet long, the whale shark dwarfs the world's smallest shark, which is called the dwarf lantern shark. And the dwarf lantern shark is only 6 to 8 inches long. Wow, 40 feet versus 6 to 8 inches. Wee-you! Ready? Fact number 5. If there were shark dentists, they would never be out of work. Some sharks can cycle through up to 35,000 teeth throughout their lifetimes. Wow, that is a lot of new teeth. Jeez, crazy. Ready? Fact number 6. Sharks have a crazy good sense of smell. They can smell a drop of blood in 1 million drops of water. Whoa, they're like the vampires of the ocean. Neato. Ready? Fact number 7 about my favorite animal, sharks. Sharks have amazing hearing. They can hear a fish moving in the water from 1 million miles away. What? That is some crazy good hearing. Wowee. Well, kids, that has been 7 fun facts about sharks. Thank you for watching Facts for Kids. I will see you next time. See ya. Bye. Hey kids, what's up? Welcome back to Facts for Kids. Today, we're gonna be talking about fidget spinners. Yeah, do you like fidget spinners? Well, get ready, because here comes 7 fun facts about fidget spinners. Fact number 1. Fidget spinners were invented all the way back in 1996 in Tulsa, Oklahoma. They were invented by Catherine Hedinger. She invented them so her daughter had a fun toy to play with. Wow, Catherine Hedinger of Tulsa, Oklahoma. Wee-you! Here we go! Fact number 2 about fidget spinners. Some doctors say that fidget spinners may be helpful for children with ADHD. That's attention deficit disorder. Fidget spinners may help them focus and concentrate. Other doctors say that there is no proof of this, but the toys likely aren't harmful. So go ahead and play with your fidget spinners. Wee-you! Ready? Fact number 3. 60 of the country's biggest schools have banned fidget spinners. What? 60 of the country's biggest schools? Darn it. If you're in one of those schools, no fidget spinners for you. Ready? Fact number 4. Some fidget spinners have been modified with cool features like LED lights, pictures, and even wireless charging. Neat. Oh, those are some cool fidget spinners. Ready? Fact number 5. Most fidget spinners cost about $2 to $5, but some are made with precious metals like gold and silver and even diamonds. Whoa! Those special fidget spinners can cost up to $700. Whoa! Those are some pricey fidget spinners. Ready? Fact number 6. The world record for the longest spin was set by Jeffrey Fred. He managed to spin the fidget spinner toy for 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Whoa, that is a long time. This world record has not been broken yet. So hey kids, you want to set a world record? You have to spin a fidget spinner for more than 6 minutes and 52 seconds. Whoa. Ready? Fact number 7 about fidget spinners. Another popular toy that is similar to fidget spinners is the Fidget Cube. Wow, I've never heard of that. Fidget cubes have many buttons on them that can be pressed and switched on and off to provide tension relief. Wow, so they're like fidget spinners, but in the shape of a cube. Neato. Alright kids, that has been 7 fun facts about fidget spinners. I will see you all next time on Facts for Kids. See ya! Bye!